7 Best Portable Generators for RV. Number 1. Honda EU2200i 2200 watt portable generator inverter. If you are searching for the best portable and small generators for outdoors or RV, that is acquainted with you, then I profoundly recommend considering the Honda EU2200i. It is one of the most well-known Honda locally available RV generators today, and I imagine that is a direct result of a few valid justifications. One central purpose behind its notoriety is the way that it is exceptionally adaptable, as it works a wide scope of appliances. With such adaptability, it is perfect for compact use, whether it is on your RV, during your outdoors, on a place of work, or at home. I discovered that is fundamentally intended to give clients a consistent supply of solid power. Number 2. WGen56200i 2000 watt portable generator inverter, carb compliant. Another compact inverter generator that I am satisfied to suggest is the WGen56200i. I think of it as a lightweight and small-sized generator, which is very comfortable to install and store in your vehicle. I find the WGen56200i quite amazing and competitive as well. Number 3. Westinghouse WGen2000 Super Quiet Portable Inverter. Another trustworthy compact inverter generator that I can suggest for the individuals who are looking for a unit that they can use in their RV is the Westinghouse WGen2000. One thing that is promptly observable in this unit is that it is well structured. It is likewise light enough that taking it any place will never be an issue. Number 4. Champion 3100 watt RV Ready Portable Inverter Generator. Another locally available RV generator, which can be arranged as the inverter type, is 3100 watt Champion Portable and Inverter Unit. One thing I am truly satisfied with in this unit is the way that it is RV prepared. This implies you don't have to manage any entanglements, making it work in your vehicle. Number 5. Westinghouse WGen2000 Portable Generator. I might likewise want to suggest the Westinghouse WGen2000 Compact Generator. I am intrigued with this portable generator since it is loaded with a few premium and inventive features while being offered at an incredible and focused cost. It can supply up to 2,500 watts top power and 2,000 watt appraised power. Number 6. DuroStar DS4000S Gas Powered, 4,000 watt Portable Generator. This rundown of the great RV generator items won't likewise be finished if I do exclude the DuroStar DS4000S Gas Powered Convenient Generator. One thing that I figure anybody will immediately see from this portable generator is its uncompromising steel outline. Such grandstands the sturdiness of the generator. Number 7. DuroMax XP4400E Gas-Powered 4400 watt, Electric Start Portable Generator. Another amazing compact generator that I encourage you to remember for your rundown of choices is the DuroMax XP4400E. One amazing advantage of this unit is that it has the capacity to power various things that require it, including recreational vehicles. It is additionally valuable during crises,